can.
Don't look at me.
Away.
Hey, no, I want to get you guys doing that on tape. Do it again, Grandpa. Stage fright.
You can't do that. Mommy's standing with the camera.
Dang it.
That was a loud one. You see your mommy? Say hi, mommy.
Can you wave?
Where's mommy? Where's your mommy?
Because it was, I thought it was high school like 15 when I met the developer.
She don't want to do it because she knows you're watching.
I know. Dang it.